Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. First Alert Weather Day has been declared for Wednesday as we undergo quite a bit of a transition. This is a very potent seasonal storm here as we go through spring. Here's what you can expect on your Wednesday. We are going to see that impressive storm move in from the southwest, increasing clouds and some areas of rain. We'll have periods of light and then heavy rain potential. I am really watching for the chance for some potentially strong thunderstorms to develop for some in the afternoon. So we'll go over all of this. Then in the elevated terrain of the plains of Montana, where snow is already flying, we can see some sizable amounts there. Here's the big picture as we go into the morning hours. We'll have some light showers of rain starting to push in from the south and from the west. Now, our easternmost counties will stay clear the longest, and that's where the chance will be best to have a view of the northern lights, which have a fantastic chance of occurring once again tonight. Will just be more tricky. Look at the heavy precipitation, central portions of the Dakotas, and the heavy snow in the Black Hills and on the border counties with Montana. Your midday, the rain isn't light anymore in the south and eastern North Dakota. We'll have periods of moderate rain and in some spots heavy rainfall. We'll see some showers across our north Minnesota counties as well. Here's the center of low pressure as it works its way northward into the afternoon. The timing is perfect for what we would call peak heating on a normal day. And I do think we'll have a chance for some energy to produce a couple of thunderstorms, say between 2 and 5. After sunset, the risk for anything too strong not out there, but we'll be watching for what we call low top supercell thunderstorms to form in tomorrow's pretty dynamic storm system. 57 right now out at Hector, same temperature at Moorheads Airport. A little bit of mixed sunshine showing up there in the Devil's Lake area. Clouds are on the increase. So our western counties already seeing the clouds, and we have cooler weather there, near 60 degrees and mid 60s at that in the Fergus Falls area at this hour. A closer look at your hour-by-hour forecast shows the snow working its way through. Isobars show where the wind will be the gustiest. We'll have east winds in the morning. Showers at the bus stop and on your way to work in the morning will be passing and light. Then by midday for that lunch hour, have that umbrella handy because we'll have some bands of heavy rain moving in. I've highlighted in red the area of energy that will give the storms just a little bit more uplift and also we'll have some spin in the atmosphere. Don't think we're going to see huge hail. I don't think we're going to see damaging straight line wind potential, but there is going to be spin in the atmosphere. We'll be watching that closely for you. By tomorrow night, it is exiting. Then the northwest winds take over for the southeast winds. Here's a closer look at our area. Southern Valley into Lakes Country. Then after sunset, that threat diminishes as it moves northward for a stronger storm. Look at this, 2 to 8 inches of snow in eastern Montana near Ekalaka and Baker. 1 to 4 inches for the Medora area. Rapid City getting the big bullseye, 1 to 2 feet of snow. Kind of like what we saw this time 2 years ago up in the Devil's Lake Basin. For us, it's rain. Wet water falling in Minnesota. We're talking about 1/3 of an inch for much of that area. Potentially a little bit more in the Red River Valley and points west, where we'll have an inch or more in isolated spots under those thunder showers. We could see some of that as well in and along I-94 in Minnesota. The big winners will be the central Dakotas, where it rains heavy for longer periods of time. Remember, light sprinkles passing throughout the morning hours, 50s. We warm only to near 60. We'll have that midday rain really picking up in its intensity at times. Then the best chance of anything stout will be in the afternoon and early evening. After that, most of that rain pushes into our northern counties. A 4 o'clock snapshot shows 50s for most, 40s in the Devil's Lake Basin. Rain for all, no snow, a lot of wind that will be shifting directions. Robbie, thank you for sharing this Grand Forks County shot. Just a dandy out there as we went through the night last night. How vibrant was that? Very. All right, after your First Alert Weather Day on Wednesday, morning rain showers north on Thursday. Northwest winds cool us off. How cool? Friday, patchy frost. Saturday, look out, First Alert Weather Day, widespread frost, even some freeze possible. Then next week, a little bit quieter with temperatures seasonable or just above. Have that Valley News Live weather app handy tomorrow if you have outdoor activities. We'll keep you ahead of it.
Keep us posted. Thanks.